So looks like going to the same old, same old. Oh. So we're gonna change this long one. I think it's the overflow hose. I'm gonna change this one. Forgot what this one is called, but it's just fucked. Got two Jubilee clips holding in. And I want to change this one. And well, we can't really see it. That one there. Oh, come on, man. Well, I can't reverse right now, so come on, bro, you got cameras. Bro, you got cameras, you got reversing cameras. That's a 2022 Mercedes. That's a Dutch or a Renault Clio, but still, bro, you got cameras. Come on. Look, even that guy's fucking reversing. No way. Oh, I'm getting pissed off. My left foot is getting weak on the clutch, man. Thank you. Why the fuck you gave me that dirty look? Oh, I shouldn't have taken the car out. Okay, that was a bit mean of me, but I had to do it. I don't even know why I came outside. Just wanted to drive, clear my head. Everyone's pissing me off. What is this guy doing, bro? Yeah, you see, I need to go home. Nah, I'm not gonna wash my car. Fuck it. We're just gonna go back home. Like I said, the coolant hoses are completely messed up. I don't fancy driving in traffic. Neither is the car, I think. No point. Plan is go home. I'm not gonna do anything to the car today. Maybe tomorrow. But I still have to wait for one more hose. Yeah, I'd go one. I think it's a metal one. Part is metal, part is rubber. And there's no point emptying the coolant tank to do all the other hoses. I'm just gonna have to do everything again when the other part comes. When I get home, I will try and forget everything that happened today, and I will just list everything that I spent so far on the car and possibly what you might need to buy in order to make yours, you know, work great again. This engine was used on the Astra, Corsa, Saab. I think there are similarities between this and the Abarth engine. Don't quote me on this yet, but it's a 1.4. If you look at the normal Fiat, yeah, even the 124, the convertible one, it's got 140 horses. But then, you know, the Abarth, I think it's just an ECU remap. I think it's got stage 1 or something like that, you know, brought it up to 180 horses, which is exactly what I can get out of this A14 net engine. I don't know if I'm gonna remap it, because you're not gonna get that much power out of it. I'm getting 140 right now stock, yeah, maybe 150, I don't know. I think it's 140. I'm just gonna get 40 more horsepower and then roughly 200, I think it was 270 or 280 newton meters or pound-feet of torque. I think it was newton meters. So you get 70 more newton meters and 40 more horsepower, and you risk, you know, blowing your engine up. I'm doing 2 oil changes a year, yeah, and the car is stock. I think I'll have to do 3 oil changes just so I'm not breaking anything. Not mentioning you have to use NGK spark plugs, which I already have. You have to do something about the PCV system. I mean the valve cover, whatever that, because they're all integrated. Actually, let me see here. The PCV valve and the rocker cover is like, it's all one piece. Because when I changed mine, I only had to change the valve in it, but because the rocker cover and they're all together. So I done both. That was making the engine to squeak. I don't think I have videos on that. I used to have so many videos of my car, yeah, just making very squeaky noises. I don't know, part of me is, you know, thinks that it's worth, you know, to remap it, get 180 horses. But I don't know, the maintenance is gonna be like what's the point? Space. Let me get closer, maybe he gets the hint. I think I just shot myself in the foot. We're not going anywhere today. Oh yeah, I used to love driving on this road. It's still fucked up just the way it was when I last drove on it. Nothing's changed. This place is so nice, except the road. Hey, another Siggy. And we're going home now.